Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how a sump pump works properly. This is a sump pump I installed a couple of weeks ago. It's submerged right now. It's basically coming out. There's the valve coming out like this and going outside and basically drain the water out on my driveway, and from there it's going to the sewer drain outside the street. The water table is high today, so the sump pump should come up in few seconds, so you can see how it works. I'll just go close so you can see the water. Should be able to see the water rising, and the sump pump should come up in few seconds. There you go, pumping the water out, and the water will refill again in about a couple of minutes. Here's the sump pump. Here's the container filling up again, the water from outside, and the sump pump will come up in a few seconds again. There you go. Gives you a basic idea how a sump pump works. Let's go outside. I'll show you where the water is coming out of.